This is gorgeous. There she is.
Greetings.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you. Nice necklace.
Nicer house. Wow.
So this is the Parker house.
History is alive in Hyde Park. This is incredible what you built
Yeah,
here.
it's the last standing Victorian in Hyde Park.
And it's officially on the historic registry, right?
It is.
Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
You said when folks stay here, everyone gets their own space, and it's so true because these rooms are huge. So what is the actual total of bedrooms, bathrooms?
I have 6 bedrooms and 5.5 baths.
What's really cool and convenient for all families is that when you walk in right here on the main level, you have a great suite.
Yes, that's a sweet one.
That's always a favorite, and they get sweeter as they go.
Well, I wanted each one to have its own personality. I can't say what personality. It kind of morphed into
Its own deal.
Its own deal.
So give me the basics. When you walk in here, what is the actual floor plan?
This is the parlor, well, the living room, but they used to call it the parlor. And then this is the dining room, kitchen, and off the kitchen is a coffee bar and the family room.
I've heard upstairs is a real gem.
Let's go see.
I'd love to.
Okay.
I'd love to. I gotta say, I think Mr. Parker would be very proud of the work you did here. So break down the actual bedrooms for us up here on this floor.
The second floor has the 2 biggest suites. This is suite 2. It has a sitting room. The next floor has 3 bedrooms, 1 more suite, and 2 small rooms. I call them the Jack and Jill rooms. Queen bed and double bed.
You got it all figured out.
Yeah, so when families come that have kids, they usually get the 3rd floor.
One of my favorite things about the Northeast is the backyards. And you have exactly why I love the Northeast. Huge yard space, huge porch space, ultimate chilling outside. Break down the backyard.
It's big and it has a lot of beautiful trees, which I loved about it. And one of them is a magnolia. And in the spring, it's magnificent. And lots of seating and a grill. And people love it out there.
I gotta say, on this block, with the Vanderbilt and FDR, you're the neighbor to choose. I can't thank you
You are
enough for
too
having
sweet.
us. Hey, but could you do something for me?
Yes,
I've never been to a widow's walk, and I think that'd be the perfect advice.
it's pretty cool.
Just don't push me off.
I won't.
I don't want to live
Don't
it. I
push
just
me
want
off.
to see it.
Let's go.